So guys, this is part 2 of opening the 3 magic cards. Basically my battery died. Let's see here. Excuse me. This is Quog's sickness. The dread gases didn't kill Farbid, but as he lay in the muck, miserable and helpless, watching gulls and rats advance on him he wishes he had. The dread gas didn't kill Farbid, but as he lay in the muck, miserable and helpless, watching gulls he wished he had. Cool. That's cool. Divine Favor, I already have this one. Opportunity. And the third eye open. And it's like real hair. Opportunity isn't something you wait for, it's something you create. That's true. That's a badass card. Doomblade. Non-black creature, destroy target. Doomblade. Elixir of Immortality. Bottled life. Not as tasty as I'm used to, rather stale, but has the same effect. Exarthrid, Necromancer. No command shall echo forever in their dusty skulls. Fire, mana. Let me check if my rice is burning. Damn it. Damn it. Oh, man. It looks like a piece of crap. How's it even cooking? It's off, I think. I don't know. Did I turn it off? I don't remember turning it off. Damn it. Alright, let's see. Spirit, flying spirit. Dark Ascension. Flying spirit. Hinterland Scourge. But the monster within was a tireless hunter. What's this? Loyal Cather. Choosing. Ilgald Inquisitor. It will take more than steel alone to purge this world of evil. Sightless goal. It blindly marches on Therbin's gates, guided by its master's dreadful will. Screeching cab. It screeches is the sound of you losing your mind. Sanctuary cat. Cats prowl the corridors of Mason's church in searches of devils or signs of their mischief. Near Heath Stalker. Do not speak of this to the elders, they look unfairly upon my indulges. Unfavorably upon. Do not speak of this to the elders. That was cool. Reap of Seagraph. The wreck hung on a jagged reef, each night disgorging more of its gruesome cargo. Cool. Silver-clawed griffin. It patrols the ground for miles around Therbin and shooting the unhallowed to the wake for long. Nobles of nebulous of mist. Not even a roaring fire could show the chill it put in my heart. Kissing recluse. Its silk is highly prized, but then again, so is your life. There's a dog up there. You're gonna eat that dog. Relentless scabs. Relentless scabs. Undying. Tower Geist. Genric's tower is served by those who once sought to enter it uninvited. Gravit Tyler Worm. As a creature of the night closed in on humanity in Nistred's pre-removal forces stirred as though waking to watch the slaughter. Curse of bloodletting. It is the demon's mark, an infernal claim on the flesh of the guilty. It is the devil's mark of the guilty, and that's this pack here. So I have 2 packs here. I already won all this, guys. Yeah. Okay. Mana leak. The fatal flaw is every plan in the assumption that you knew no more than your enemy. That's a good one. The fatal flaw in every plan is the assumption that you know more than your enemy. Damn. The fatal flaw in every plan is the assumption that you know more than your enemy. That's a good card, man. Lurking crocodile. Oh, that's cool. Incinerate. Spontaneous combustion is a myth. If you burst into flame, someone wanted you to. That's true. I used to have this one. Pacifism. For the first time in his life, Greg felt a little warm and fuzzy inside. The Zen tomb. Stop complaining. You can rest when you're dead. Oh, sorry. You are dead. Act of treason. Rage courses in every heart, yearning to betray its rational prison. Rage courses in every heart, yearning to betray its rational prison. Rage courses in every heart, yearning to betray its rational. That's cool. Brindle boar. To the cook cell. I just got that one. Wall of torches. The foolish try to leap through the unlit spaces. The arrogant believe the fire is harmless. The wise find a different door. The foolish leap through the unlit spaces. The arrogant believe the fire is harmless. The wise find a different door. That's cool. Try to leap through the unlit spaces. The arrogant believe the fire is harmless. Huh. That's cool. Fog. I read that one. Divine favor. I have that one. Lure. It makes the insufficient conspicuous, the repulsive alluring, and the deadly irresistible. It makes the insignificant conspicuous, the repulsive alluring, and the deadly irresistible. Dragon's claw. If there is a fire that never ceases to burn, it surely lies in the maw of a dragon. Tectonic rift. You will kneel before me even if I have to split the earth under your feet. Day of judgment. Destroy all creatures. Day of judgment. Soldier. Fire. That was cool. So that was a 3. Alright guys, I'll see you next time when I get more cards. Peace out.